Business-to-business relationships are a great source of income, opportunities, and growth. However, managing company-related actions was a highly manual process. We're glad to announce that, thanks to these updates, you can use workflows and associated records to automate your management. Let's check how. To create a company-based workflow, click plus Create Workflow. Then select Company-based Workflow. Click Add New Trigger and select Company Created or Company Changed. Add your desired actions from the right side menu. You can also add company management actions to your regular contact workflows. The changes will be applied to the record associated with the triggering contact. Automate entire company-level workflows, not just individual contacts, simplifying your business record management, making your process easier to scale, and ensuring data is connected across your CRM. Easily create and connect companies inside your system, helping you simplify your B2B relationship management. These updates will also allow you to message, update, and automate your processes with other companies. We hope you enjoy it.